Okay, so welcome back guys to another video. Okay, so in this video we'll be discussing about this particular tech that is 7th November 2024. Okay, on a daily chart you can see that yesterday we inversed a daily fair value gap, right? Yesterday not day before yesterday, okay. On this time. And yesterday market opened slightly lower and went to the daily fair value gap. I have mentioned the quadrants here. Touched the upper quadrant or the range 0.25 level at the low of the previous week okay. Previous week okay. Now coming to an hourly chart. At least somewhere here. Yeah. There was two fair value gaps. Okay, so you have one inverse hourly fair value gap up there. You have one more hourly fair value gap up there, okay. Again. Market came to that hourly fair value gap and a little lower. Went to that daily fair value gap quadrant, upper quadrant, okay. And then we start to aggressively go up higher, disrespecting this hourly fair value gap. The reason I didn't draw this one because I already got a inverse fair value gap here. Okay, so I was taking the recent one. Okay, that's the reason. Okay, I know my sound is not good because I just wake up early. Okay, going to a 50-minute chart. Perfectly aligning with the wicks there. Try to went a little bit higher. Stop right at the point of that inverse fair value gap. A small buy side was taken from there. You have the hourly candle here. And price came back there. And you can see there is a 50-minute fair value gap up there. You have the 50-minute inverse fair value gap up there. And my target for yesterday was these analytical high socket. So that's what I mentioned. As buy side here. Okay. So when below the 830 one more time. 5-minute chart. You can see that good breaker. High, lower, low, higher. Okay. And this triangle right there is an order block. Okay. Came to that order block, respecting the 0.25 level of previous week, or the lower quadrant of that previous week. Okay. There is an entry here, okay, but I have no that much guts to take that entry. That's the reason I didn't took anything extra. To be honest with you, before market happened, every of the drawings was in my chart. Okay. I haven't drawn a single thing after the market, like after when I saw something else. So take the displacement from this low or this low, the current high. This is our midpoint, even below that midpoint, right? So the consequent encroachment of that displacement on the right midpoint. Below midpoint, we have the 0.2 level of the previous day week, and we have this 15-minute forward gap. We can see that at 15 minutes is been respected, right? So, and we have many things. We have a high, low, low, higher, high breaker. We have an outer block up there. I will directly move to 1 minute chart. Before that, from here onwards, somewhere around here onwards, I am not down there. Somewhere from 7 o'clock onwards, I'm seeing the market at 6:45 something. Oh, the things that I noticed was this breaker up there. These two consecutive down close candles acting as an auto block, and you can see there was this thing, but suspension block here. Okay, so this is what I meant. For your clarity, that the suspension block, everything is random. Placement up there went to that 0.5 level, and the suspension look at the bodies respecting how the suspension look. Not a single tick has gone below that midpoints of that this hourly fair value gap and the suspension block. Okay. Dominant check. Okay, so if I stop right there, that's a kind of good thing that you can. Okay, so I waited. I would have really taken even if it is from the suspension block or this candidate. You can place your stops like that, but I mean, when the next time it comes here, you can take it, but like this. But this could be your first target, okay? Anyway, this could be your first target. And that bicep could be your final target. I am not saying that you could never get something like that out. You then I think you saw my extra tires video, I think. If something happens like this, I used to see a small retracement and then going up again with an aggressiveness. Okay. Yesterday, because I took the trade, stop went somewhere around here, which I put my stop loss at trial stop. Took my fucking stop loss, then went up. Yeah, but yesterday I didn't take any trade, right? So market was going fucking shit. Every time, guys, I don't know how and that's a special block you need to study about this breaker. You need to study about it. I don't need anything else. Even if this candle comes a little bit down to this breaker, I would have entered there. Okay, making my stops here. That's what every time happens. That's what every time happens. You can see I have a layout. Okay, so this is a new layout. Okay, you can do this by going up here this button, okay? You do it like this, it will be some more beautiful. And exit by this X mark button, okay? But I really like this view, okay? Yeah, this is somewhat good. Okay, now there is no entries anywhere here, okay? And the only entry that you could have taken is from the next candle that comes to this transmission block. Yeah, I like this guys. I am really frustrated with it. And you can see that why I consider that as a breaker and out of pocket. So we have this trend line liquidity up there. Look, the liquidity, all that lows. What do we have? You have a high, you have a low, lower low, taking the sell side, getting up higher. So you have this aggressive fair value gap up there, and we have this suspension block, right? That's the main reason. Now you can see how the market is going. Yeah, there's some more thing that I want to mention about this 0.75 level of this weekly premium week. Okay, so you can see how many times it just went there, went down lower again. Like this, you could have taken one more. Like you really had a 5 minutes early kept up there and a 15 minutes down there. Okay, I thought that if this shit comes around here and somewhere taking this sell side, coming to this 15 minutes, I would have taken. I would have got some good RR, but nothing has. 8 o'clock start here, 8:30 here. Fuck. Okay, so again feeling too sleepy. Okay, because I don't know. And this level of the market is being respected, and this 5 minute candle is being respected. You can see, you can take any screenshot if you need. 5 minutes is being respected thoroughly. Okay, so next time when it comes to this 5 minutes, it again respected. Again, when to that 0.75 level, broke through the level, and again we went to the weekly opening gap of this week. I mean last week. Yeah, this week only. Again, when to take out the small cell side here, then I pull accumulation, manipulation. You can see that candle taking all the side here and the distribution starts. I don't need huge blow. This was my final big target. I don't know why every time it's like that. Okay. Every time, guys. So that's all for the video. There is not much things to take care of next day. So now the charts look clean. Now we have what? We have this weekly premium week down fucking there. I'll use this if I need. Okay, so I want to know about this one. Yeah, weekly. So we have all the coordinates here. Oh, yeah. There we go. And this fair value gap should not be there. Okay, so this daily fair value gap should be like this. So from the next day, we will be using this level for the moment higher. Okay, so we have this daily fair value gap. There. Let's mark that. So on a weekly, we have that discount week. We also have this one, right? So since we are trading inside this range, we will make use of this one also. Okay, no problem. Okay, guys. This week I was down by 1.6 or 7 percentage. Hoping that it won't happen on the other day. Okay. Really frustrated, guys. On this Thursday, I mean, this 13th, I'm going to my hometown. I was somewhat excited to okay. In 1, 2, 3, 4 days. On the fifth day, I'm going. Okay, guys. So I thought you might have get some information about what I have been talking about it here. Make it of a use. Yesterday, you don't know my emotions. Okay, saying take pantry from somewhere. Self-control and managing your emotions comes first inside you. You can see that where the market reversed to the buy side, right? So then my brain was saying like, why man, why it respected everything from your analysis, but you didn't take any actions. The reason is because I spent a lot of money on this accounts. Okay, so I just want at least to win once. Okay, so you may not understand how it feels. Okay, yeah. Okay, guys. So that's it. Okay, that's really it. Okay, by the way, bye. See you on the next video. Okay.